See how we do it. Catering here at XWA, and we got some cupcakes here with some familiar faces, but the more important face, not the big one in the back. Oh yeah, that guy right there. Isn't he handsome?
Guess who found the cupcake?
And there's more, because so more people can enjoy me. There you go. 3 of them.
That's weird.
3 of me. What would you do with 3 of me?
I can't handle one of you, so.
Now you're on a life of juice, Trevor Lee. Welcome. Just keep that face the entire time.
Yeah, I thought we were taking a picture.
We will take a picture. We'll take a picture in a second.
Just
Look at that
random
face.
snarls.
Look at that face right there. Hello. Hi. Hi, everybody. Where's Biff Busick? Look at that beautiful man over there.
Thank you.
Too bad he's got so many clothes on. My last video of him, he was like, he was so hairy and beautiful. So many people. I'm just kidding.
There's nobody.
That's a sweet shirt you got there.
Yeah.
You owe me $20 for that, by the way. Nice.
Got it? It's just my face. Hey, reverse?
I'll get in the middle.
Damn right, get in the middle. Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh, Jesus.
Where are we?
I don't even know.
I think we're gonna go to that diner.
We're going to Tommy's famous cheesesteaks.
I don't want to go to Mexico.
Oh, we're going to Daisy's to dine. We're going to Mexico.
I don't want to go to Mexico.
We're going to Mexico.
Isn't Christmas over?
No, Christmas is over when we say it's over.
Fuck you, Brooklyn. Fuck.
But I was an amateur wrestler at that time. And I think I just kind of stuck to my grounds on what I knew because I'd get my ass kicked. And I just kind of had to learn how to defend myself. So that usually involved me grabbing onto someone's leg and holding on to their leg.
Hi, Doc. Am I gonna make it?
You're gonna be dead. You're out of juice.
This is my welcome home. Blizzard. It's a blizzard, Lucy.
It's crazy.
Damn you, Rhode Island. Mean streets of Providence, Rhode Island. We weren't gonna be cooped up anymore. We had to go find the gym, right?
Right. Of course.
We got this little baby amount of snow here.
This is not a baby amount of snow, I would like to
The
point out.
Seattler over here is complaining because it's too much snow. But this ain't shit.
Seattleite, by the way. That's Seattle.
Look at Providence though, doing a good job getting the streets clean so that we can enjoy this beautiful blizzard day. Thanks, Providence.
Snowpocalypse. I have to jump.
Freedom's right there. No, you can keep walking.
Ah!
Come on, it's only a little bit of Rhode Island snow.
Oh my god.
Free at last. You made it, kid.
Haven't
You
fallen
made
on my face yet.
it. Yeah. Yet.
Covered in snow.
I used to wrestle on Spruce Street. And then there was a shooting.
Okay, now we're gonna see. It made me turn the wrong way. I'm at now. There we go.